I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, yes, ngayon lang ulit nakapag-vlog dahil quarantine nga po and na-cancel ang mga klase. At I'm going to take this opportunity para makapag-vlog ako and yes. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga ginagawa ko ngayong quarantine para, alam mo yun, mawala yung pagkaburyo ko sa buhay ko. And pwede nyo rin itong gawin guys. So, let's get to it. And by the way, kasama ko dito yung kapatid ko. So, I'll see you.
no friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all.
Okay guys, so ang nilagay kong face mask is yung walang iba kundi ang aking favorite Aztec. Kung narinig nyo yun, yung kapatid ko yun, and nag-set na ako ng timer for 15 minutes. So, habang kumagalaw ang oras, magliligpit muna ako. And I'll get back to you later. Bye! Okay guys, while waiting, tapos ako magligpit. Linisin natin yung phone ko kasi you have to keep your phone clean. Dahil na bago ka matulog, linisin mo siya kasi ang daming germs dyan. So, we gotta stay safe. So, linisin natin.
It's getting colder when the sun come out. Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk down like who you, yeah. There's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking.
Okay, nakapaghilamos na ako. So, mag-apply na ako ng skincare.
Hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good.
Okay guys, so yes, I'm back and 7:45 na po kasi binantayan namin yung kapatid ko and may sasama sa akin ngayon para sa gagawin kong part na to. Ayan siya, kita nyo naman siya. So, mag-nail polish na tayo. Ang gagamitin niya, oh, I'm so sorry. Ang gagamitin niya ito, it's from Bench. Ito kasi yung natira sa gamit namin. Gusto ko sanang bumili kaso nga lang for quarantine yun. Pinangaan sa amin. Hi!
Wow!
Okay, going back. So, ang gagamitin niya, ito. It's purple. Wait. Come on, focus, be. Ayaw yung mag-focus. Oh my Lord. Ayan! Okay. So, ang gagamitin ko, I'm going to use 2 colors. Kasi yung isa accent. So, ito yung main. Kasi ito yung side chick. Okay, anyways. Let's get to it.
On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes. Got the faith. The 18 just not gonna be the same.
Okay guys, so short update. Look at my left. It's so ganda. Kasi ba makita yung gawa ni Jaden, guys? I'm so proud. Hindi ko ini-expect na may ganito pala akong skills. Ayaw kasi magpalagay ni Jaden sa akin, kaya siya yung naglagay sa sarili niya. And, ang ganda. Okay, so, hindi ko alam paano ko ito lalagyan, pero, let's go for it. Pakita ka naman.
On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes. Got the faith, the 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna be down generations, not gonna be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go, why you gotta go?
Okay, so I'm done with my nails. And mawawala rin naman tong ibang nasa gilid. Kasi pag naghugas ako mamaya, kasi basa pa siya. So pag pinilit ko siyang tanggalin ngayon, masisira yung iba. Gusto niyo makita yung kay Jaden? Pakita mo, Jades. Dali na! Show your artwork. Dali na. Halika na. Aayusin ko na lang mamaya yan. So, kasi nagmaganda siya at gusto niyang gawin sa kanya. Tinan mo yung kanalabasan. Pakita mo. Pakita mo. Nagmamagaling ka kanina eh. Pakita mo. Nag-colorless na lang siya kasi mukhang dinugo yung kamay niya. Well, I'm happy with mine. Tapos paglilinisin ako ni mama mamaya ng garahe. Ang galing. Ano pa bang pwedeng gawin ngayong quarantine? Stalk your crush. Okay. Siyempre kung wala kayong crush, posibleng wala. Come on guys. Okay. Stalk natin yung crush ko habang nagpapatayo ako ng ano.
I just wanna know now, true now. Try and get no, hope you free your soul, hope you free your soul. I might have caught the June blues, yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth.
Okay, number 4. Masakit man sabihin, pero ito ang pwede mo pang gawin habang quarantine. Mag-TikTok.
Ano paano nga ako mag-TikTok?
Okay, dahil hindi ako nagtitiktok, yung kapatid ko na lang. Ikinahihiya ko na po siya. Natakwil ko na siya.
I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah. Fuck. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues, yeah. I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah. You know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, devil's speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes. Got the faith, the 18 just not gon' be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gon' be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go, why you gotta go? I just wanna know now. True numb, cry and get known, hope you free your soul, I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah. Fuck. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk down like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes. Got the faith, the 18 just not gon' be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gon' be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go, I just wanna know now. True numb, cry and get known, hope you free your soul, I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about.
First, I usually remove playlists I used to follow, then replace the photos of each playlist I have and create some sort of theme so it will look clean and organized. I get pictures from Pinterest, Tumblr, and such, then create a new playlist with my latest jams so I can listen to it on and on. Okay, so ayun na nga po ang ating quarantine video. So thank you so much for watching. After this, mag-upload po ako ng mga previous vlogs ko, so watch out for it. And don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!